ang comeback show ni veteran Filipino designer Randy Ortiz. Not only did he return sa runway, he also returned to his first love. Yan ang agenda report ni Attorney Karen Jimeno.
Nagbalik sa runway ang batikang Filipino designer na si Randy Ortiz. Tampok ang kanyang pinakamalaking menswear show. Pinamagatang Randy Oman Unofficial 40. Ang koleksyon ay pagdiriwang ng halos 4 na dekada niya sa industriya at pagbabalik sa kanyang pinagmulan, ang menswear. Pero higit sa tradisyonal na barong at suit, ipinakita ni Ortiz ang pag-level up niya ng designs gamit ang mga kakaibang tela, layered silhouettes at makukulay na kombinasyon na sumasalamin sa mas malaya at kumpiyansang lalaking Pilipino.
This is my love letter to all Filipino male. That there is really there's so much void in the market for nice clothes that men can wear regardless of sexual preference or anything. So I feel that this is like a culmination of my hard work for 40 years, doing clothes for both men and women. But this time, I guess, because I'm going back to my first love.
Tampok sa fashion show ang local at international models at celebrity muses. Kasama sina Dingdong Dantes, John Estrada at Korean actor na si Kim Ji-soo.
I only do a fashion show for Randy.
May muses din na business personalities, kabilang si Billionaire News Channel host, Attorney Mike Toledo.
Well, once you try doing it, you realize and you put more respect in all our models because it's not an easy thing to do. The preparation and the actual execution, it requires a lot of discipline and also a lot of self-confidence. So I would just like to congratulate Randy Ortiz. Amazing.
Dinumog ng Fashion Insiders ang event. Patunay na lumalakas ang interes sa men's fashion sa bansa. Sa halos 40 taon sa industriya, pinatutunayan ni Ortiz na patuloy siyang nagbabago at muling hinuhubog kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng pagiging moderno at estilong Pilipino.
Para sa agenda, Attorney Karen Jimeno, Billionaire News Channel.